Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to add overlays in CapCut. So without further ado, let's get started. So simply click on the CapCut app and now you need to click on the new project and you need to add your primary video first. So I have a video which is a bottle, which is a glass being filled with Coca-Cola. So I'm just going to select it and click on add. Now what you need to do is simply click on overlay here. So click on it and now click on add overlay and we will add this video here. So it's an overlay video that I have downloaded from a stock website. You can find it too. It is a video of smoke coming from the bottom part. So as you can see, we will just enlarge it till it fits our screen. Okay. Now here comes the important part. If you want to see the video clearly, we need to click on splice and there are a bunch of options that you can try from here. There's filter, darken, overlay. You need to see what fits your video. So I'm just going to select lighten option here and you can increase and decrease the opacity. Alright, I'm just going to click on check, click back, and as you can see guys, we have successfully added an overlay in our video with using CapCut. So that's it for today guys. Hope you find the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.